DFY Suite 3.0 is their powerful, done-for-you, social syndication system that allows you to dominate Google and YouTube without doing any of the work yourself. With DFY Suite 3.0, all they have to do is Step 1. Log into their web-based platform. Step 2. Submit the URL you want to have syndicated. Step 3. Hit submit and they'll get to work for them right away. If you're 100% new to SEO, they're also including a quick crash course on keyword research and content optimization that should take you no more than 20 to 30 minutes to go through. With DFY Suite 3.0 plus the keyword research and content optimization crash course, you'll be able to start getting traffic from Google without ever having to spend hours upon hours doing the heavy lifting yourself. DFY Suite 3.0 features 5x the sites, 5x the authority, 5x the ranking power. Yup, since their initial launch back in 2018, they have more than 5x the number of sites in their network that they'll be using to syndicate your content on. But not just 5x the sites, they've also 5z the authority. They have spent countless hours and thousands of dollars sifting through the best of the best sites that have high domain and page authority to ensure that you're getting the best quality syndication. This all pretty much means you now have 5x the ranking power in DFY Suite 3.0 with their massively expanded network, done-for-you rankings on a global level with worldwide language support. One of their most requested features has been deployed in DFY Suite 3.0. DFY Suite 3.0 is now the leading provider for DFY rankings via quality, social syndication on a global level with support in all the major languages around the world. Yes, you read that correctly. They now cover every language you can think of, so you can get page 1 rankings regardless of where you are in the world. DFY Suite 3.0 might be the first and only platform to offer quality social syndication that is 100% done for you and supports all languages around the world. Totally revamped server setup to include IPs from all over the world to supercharge their new worldwide ranking power. Yup, they couldn't have just opened up their worldwide language support without ensuring that their servers were set up correctly too, right? So in DFY Suite 3.0 they supercharged our server setup to include IPs from all over the world as well. This solidifies them as the leading provider of done-for-you rankings on a global level. When they can offer rankings in different languages with server IPs from all over the world as well, that's when Google really starts to drool over your campaigns. Totally revamped content generation system which is now powered by real artificial intelligence for more relevancy, so you get more ranking power for your campaigns. When it comes to ranking your content on page 1, the two most important things that help you get there is quality syndication and quality content. And since they also handle the content that they use in your syndication, they wanted to ensure that they use the best quality content they can produce. So they've spent a ton of time revamping our content generation system for the second time to ensure that you get the best content so that all your campaigns have maximum ranking power with every campaign you submit. And yes, this is the second time they've revamped their content system because they truly want to be the best done-for-you ranking solution on the market. This time around their content generation is powered by real artificial intelligence. Yup, they've tapped into their Create software to be the backbone of their content system, so you now get totally unique content for every campaign they syndicate for you. Triple the platforms, triple the variation, triple the speed of rankings with the inclusion of our own private PBN. Not only have they 5Z'd their network since their initial launch in 2018, they've also tripled the type of platforms that they'll be syndicating your content on. In 1.0 they started with social bookmarks and wiki sites, which are easily the most powerful type of syndication you can do to rank your content on page 1. In 2.0 they added blogging and Web 2.0 syndication into their network. Having a well-balanced syndication profile is extremely powerful for ranking your content, and they are taking care of this for you to supercharge the speed in which your rankings get to page 1. And now in DFY Suite 3.0 they've created their own private blog network as well to include some of our best authority domains. These are domains that you'd easily have to pay $50, $60 a month to get just one link posted on them. Talk about awesome, right? Plus a ton of other behind-the-scenes tweaks that they've made to their overall system to ensure that they have the best, the fastest and the most effective done-for-you syndication system on the planet. These are the little improvements like upgrading their overall server for maximum speed of your submissions, improving our campaign processing system to ensure they complete your campaigns on time, a much improved campaign reporting and downloading system in case you're providing reports to your clients, and much more.